Hello guys, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed some theoretical concepts. As I told you, applications of trigonometry are many. One among them you have already studied is in finding heights and distances. If you did not study, just even listen to this class, today's class, but it is very important for competitive exams. Okay, it is very simple. Here you have to learn the three terms. You have to know the three terms. One is the line of sight, the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Line of sight, one term. Angle of elevation of an object is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when this is above the horizontal level. Here we have to raise our head to look at the object. Angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when it is below the horizontal level. Okay, here we have to lower our head to look at the object. Now see to the diagram. I drawn rough diagram. I am not expert in drawing. See, to have an idea, suppose here is a observer and here is suppose one hill or tower, anything. See, he want to know the height of the tower. One of the method is by standing above the tower, dip a thread with weight and then measure. That is not so easy and not good. Without doing such experiments, how to find this? Is it possible to find? Suppose we know the distance from the person and the object, that is hill or tower. Okay, and suppose the person is seeing the tower, the angle to see the top of the tower and this horizontal line to the ground floor is known. Then he can find by considering this as a rectangle triangle. One of the assumption is here is the tower or this object is perpendicular to the this horizontal line. That is assumption. If it is slant, you can find the height of the Burj Khalifa, but it is not easy to find the height of this Qutub Minar, isn't it? It should be perpendicular. Okay, see here, this line from his eye to top of the object is called as line of sight, and this parallel line to the horizontal line and angle made by this line of sight with this horizontal line is angle of elevation. Here this angle and this distance are known. Then we can find the height of the distance by using tan theta. Okay, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Similarly, suppose a person is on the building, on some compartment or say on the tower, and he wants to see an object which is below. In between this person and this tower and this object, suppose there is a river. He wants to know the width of the river. It is not easy to actually measure the width of the river. Then by using trigonometry, how to find this? Here he is perpendicular from horizontal line, and suppose you draw a parallel line from his eye to this horizontal line. This is line of sight, then angle made by this horizontal line or parallel to horizontal line and line of sight is called as angle of depression. Here he has to lower his neck to see the object. This is angle of depression, this is angle of elevation. Only this thing is important. The line of sight, angle of elevation, angle of depression and tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. If you know this much information is enough, and you have to apply some little general knowledge, just knowledge of the problem. Okay, let us consider some examples. First one, it is very simple. Shadow of a 10-meter long pole is 10 into root 3 meter. Find the angular elevation of the sun. Suppose here is a pole. Okay, suppose AB is pole. Of a pole is, find the angular elevation of sun. Here is say sun. Okay, it is shining. So okay, now you have to find the shadow. Suppose this is the shadow. Okay, this pole is perpendicular to the ground. This is shadow length. BC is shadow. The shadow length is 10 root 3 meter. Okay, you have to find the angular elevation of the sun, this angle between this horizontal line and that. So for that, tan theta is equal to AB by BC. A shadow is 10, shadow is 10, this is 10 root 3. Pole is 10 root 3. So AB by BC is equal to 10 root 3 divided by 10 is equal to root 3. Tan theta is equal to root 3 means theta should be 60 degree, isn't it? So this is very simple example. Okay, consider another example. From a point on bridge across a river, the angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree. If the bridge is at a height of 10 meter from the banks, find the width of the river. So first you have to draw the diagram. You have to translate the given content into diagrams. You have to visualize the problem. Then it is easy to find. Okay, what is asked here? What is given? Suppose here is a bridge. This is a bridge. Okay, somewhere here a person is seeing. Here the river. Okay, suppose from this he is seeing two sides of banks of this river. Okay, so it is flowing. See here, this is some 30 degree, say either one of them you can 30 and another one is 45 degree. This is the line parallel to this river. Bridge is constructed parallelly. Now what is asked is width of the bridge. You are asked to find width of the bridge. Width of this river. This height is given. That is, suppose this M, let us call it as M. This is BC. Okay, M is drawn perpendicular to BC. BC is width. That is what you have to find. AM drawn perpendicular to BC. Okay, let BM is equal to X and MC is equal to Y. Okay, so this is X plus Y. BC is actually X plus Y. So this is 10 given. AM is 10. One more information given here is AM is equal to 10 meter. Now what about this angle? See, this is interior alternate angle. Since these two lines are parallel, interior angle. Angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle C somewhere here. Suppose this is D and E bridges. DAB. DAB is equal to 30 degree. And suppose this is also same. Angle CAB ACB is equal to angle EAC. Angle EAC is equal to 45 degree. Now in triangle AMP or ABM, where this is X, this is Y. ABM, tan theta is equal to AM by BM. That is tan 30 degree is equal to AM is 10 divided by BM is X. What is tan 30? That is tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 by X. Therefore X is equal to 10 root 3 meters. In triangle ABM AMC tan theta is equal to AM by MC. AM by MC. What is AM? This implies tan 45 is equal to AM is 10 divided by this MC is Y. What is tan 45? That is 1 is equal to 10 by Y. Therefore Y is equal to 10 meter. Now width is, therefore BC, you got X and Y's. this is nothing but x plus y. BC is equal to width is equal to x plus y is equal to 10 root 3 plus 10. It is not 20 root 3. Remember, you can't add. So if you take 10 common, 1 plus root 3 meters. Width of the river is 10 times 1 plus root 3 meter. See, consider the another example. This example is, the content of this example is lengthy, but the solving is simple. Don't worry. Observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the ships. Observed from the top of 75-meter high. So if you draw the diagram of this content, this suppose AB is the height, AB is height of the lighthouse, okay. A 75-meter, okay. From this, C and D are the ships. Suppose C and D are the ships. The angle from this is, say, suppose 30 degree from ship C. This is 45 degree. This is the imaginary line parallel to this C. Okay. Let CD is equal to x, the distance between C and D, distance between A and D, and AD is equal to y, which is asked here. X is asked. Okay. Now what about this angle? Since these two are parallel, the angle of interior alternative angle, this is 45 degree. Now triangle, consider the triangle ABC. ABC, tan theta is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. AC is x plus y, that is tan 30 degree is equal to AB is x plus 75, it is 75 divided by x plus y. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to 75 divided by x plus y, or x plus y is equal to 75 into root 3. In triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to AB by AD. AB by AD. AB is 75, AD is y. Wait. Yes, you are correct. Tan theta is tan 45 is equal to AB 75 divided by y. What is tan 45? This is 1 is equal to 75 by y. Therefore, y is equal to 75. Now, x plus y is, suppose you name as 1 and 2 equations. X plus y is 75 plus 3, 75 root 3. Y is 75. Then x is equal to, therefore, x is equal to x plus y minus y, that is 75 root 3 minus 75. What is the answer? That is root 3, isn't it? See, don't do like that. This is 75 times root 3. Root 3 means 1 point something. So, you will get some 85 and odd, suppose. Minus 75. Certain will come. If you write like this, that will lead to wrong answer. 75 root 3. This is not 75 plus root 3. 75 times root 3. So, if you take 75 common, this is the required height. Root 3 minus 1. Okay. That is the distance between the two ships, C and D. See, here is another example. Can you see this? Okay, read, just listen. A statue of 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter tall stands on top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. See here, only two angles are given, two unknowns are here. Okay, let us draw the first. Suppose here the pedestal which is perpendicular to the ground. Here is a ground, and suppose one statue is here. Okay, this length of statue is given as 1.2 meter. Suppose this is the height of the pedestal, you have to find this. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation to the top of the statue from this. Okay, this is how much? 60 degree. And from this, from the top of the pedestal, from this point, so this is, that is 60 degree, this one is 45 degree. A, B, suppose C and D. Okay, this is also perpendicular. Okay, let BC, AB is x meters and CD is 1.2 meter given, and BC is height or h, height of the pedestal. See, this is suppose say x, okay, that is h. Now directly you have to apply the tan theta formula considering two triangles. In triangle, what you have to find? You have to find this h, okay. In a triangle, consider either one of this, ABD, ABD, AB and D, tan 60 degree is equal to BD by AB, BD by AB, that is tan 60 means root 3, BD means BC plus CD, BC plus CD divided by x. BC plus CD means CD is 1.2, that is 1.2 plus CD is h divided by x. So root 3x is equal to 1.2 plus h, okay. Okay, in triangle ABD, ABC, ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to BC by AB, BC by AB. Tan 45 is, that implies tan 45 is 1. BC means h, AB is x. 1 is equal to h by x means h is equal to x. H and x are same. Now if you substitute here x, you will get, suppose this is 2, from 2 1 implies root 3x is equal to 1.2 plus x, or see, if you bring this side, root 3x minus 1x is equal to 1.2, that is root 3, if you take x common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.2. Therefore x is equal to 1.2 divided by root 3 minus 1. You can use calculator here and find the value of root 3 and 1 minus that, 1 divided by 2 minus this difference. You can do like that. Otherwise you have to rationalize. Root 3 plus 1 multiplying and dividing, you will get in the denominator root 3 square minus 1 square means 3 minus 1, that is 2. 1.2 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 is the answer. Or if you leave here only, if it is competitive exam, you have to search for the better options. Consider one more example. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level observes the angle of elevation of the top of a hill is 60 degree and angle of depression of the base of the hill is 30 degree. Find the distance of the hill from the ship and height of the hill. You have to find distance between ship and the hill and also the height of the hill. Okay, suppose AB is deck of the ship. That is given as 10 meter. 10 meter. Okay, this is deck of. Then CD is, suppose CD is hill, height of the hill. This is what you have to find. Let us call it as H. Height of the hill is suppose H. Suppose this length is H. This is what you have to find. This much information is here. This is, the deck is above the sea level. Okay. What is given here? The observer from this top of the deck, angle of elevation from this, draw a perpendicular to BC, this BM, say BM perpendicular to CD, suppose it is M. Okay, this angle is, these two are parallel, this is also X, 60 degree, that is given, angle of elevation. And from the depression, base of the hill, this angle, this is 30 degree. See, as these are parallel, what is CD? CD is equal to CM plus MD. CM is 10, or suppose CD is H, then, or that is MD is H minus 10. MD is equal to H minus 10. Okay. H minus CM. That CM is nothing but AB. Okay. Now, this much is enough. Okay. Now in triangle you have to find X and H. We have to find X and H. Okay. Triangle AMD. AMD, what is this? Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to DM by BM. DM by BM. DM is, this is root 3. DM is H minus 10. H minus 10. BM is X. BM is X, or H is equal to root 3 X plus 10. Okay. In triangle BMC, triangle BMC, tan 30 degree is equal to, tan 30 degree is equal to CM by BM. CM by BM. What is BM? BM is X. CM is 10, 10, it is parallel to this. This is 10 meter. Therefore, 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 by x, or x is equal to 10 root 3. Okay, now substitute. This is one answer you got. This is distance of the hill from ship. X is distance between hill and ship is 10 root 3 meters, and height of the hill is, actually you have to write the answer finally, since space constraint is here. Height of the hill is root 3x plus 10, means what is x? 10 root 3, this is x, 10 root 3 into root 3 plus 10 means root 3 into root 3 is 3. 10 into 3 plus 10 is equal to 40 meter. You got it? Okay, thank you.